Hello, welcome to Transfer Flow. This is our aftermarket warehouse. My name is Ben Winter. I'm the Director of Business Development and Sales here at Transfer Flow. We've been here for almost 40 years. We build everything here in our plant, and everything is US built. So what I'm going to do today is walk you through our family of fuel systems. Starting off is our auxiliary systems. So on the top here we have a 75-gallon, and all these tanks come with our new patented Trax 4 fuel system. It's app-based, so you'll be able to look at your fuel system monitor at any time you want and know where you're at and how many miles you have till empty. So this comes in 5 different sizes. You can see those on our website at transferflow.com. This you're looking at is the 75-gallon, and they do come as complete kits. So all the bolts, nuts, hardware, hoses, everything you need to do the installation comes with these systems. So below here we have our 40-gallon toolbox. This is one of 3 toolboxes that we have. We have a 50-gallon and we have a 70-gallon toolbox. As you can see, it will open up. The fill is inside the compartment that keeps it safe and protected. All the storage is on the top. That's the same as all of our toolboxes. Closes up, again, all 12-gauge aluminized steel, sourced in the US. And that's our auxiliary fuel systems with the Trax 4 monitoring system. And then as we move down, this is our Ford family of replacement tanks. On the top here, we have a 60-gallon replacement tank. This goes in the F250, F350, and F450 pickup version. You'll take out the stock tank and put this right in its place. Also, just like the auxiliary tanks, it comes as a complete package. All the hoses, lines, zip ties, everything you need to do a complete bolt-on application. You're not drilling in the frames, you're not doing any major modifications, you're just adding fuel to your truck to give you more range. Very simple installation. And then below here is one of the first on the market. We are the first company to come up with a gasoline CARB certified system. This goes on the F-150 from 2018 to current, and this is a 45-gallon tank. Comes with the emissions canister, all the lines, all the proper hardware to make sure that your truck will pass any smog checks or any validations. So this is available now also on our website at transferflow.com. You can find that, and you can look at a vehicle chooser, so you can put your vehicle information in there and it'll tell you all the details about that. So that's our line of replacement tanks. And then moving down to the family of refueling tanks. So down below here, you'll see this is a 50-gallon tank. This is a gasoline certified, so we've taken this through a DOT process, and it comes with all the certification, and it's a complete kit. So you have the pump, the hose, the nozzle, the mounting hardware, even all the documents. And so you can carry gasoline or methanol or ethanol in this tank and be completely legal in your pickup. We also have a line of diesel-only refueling tanks. So this is if you just have a diesel application and you want to have a choice of different pumps, this would be a product line for you. Again, everything is 12-gauge aluminized steel. We powder coat all of our product, and we provide it as complete kits, or this one is you can pick which different pump you would like to have on there. So again, these are our products. We do carry on all of our product line a 6-year unlimited mile warranty. So that's on everything we offer. We have a 24/7 tech line. This is just a part of our business, so we support a lot of OEM customers. We're a tier 1 and tier 2 supplier to some of the major OEMs out there. And so that gives us that drive and gives us that technical ability to build these type of fuel systems. So the ways to contact Transfer Flow, you can visit us on our website at transferflow.com. You can ask for one of our printed catalogs be mailed out to you, or you can call one of our agents at 1-800-442-0056, and we'll be happy to help you. So again, thank you for the time. I appreciate you joining me in our aftermarket warehouse here in Chico, California, and I hope you have a great day.